Hi everyone, this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today, and I hope you are staying home and safe in this current situation. So I'm back today with my InLoveArtShop haul. I love their dies, I love their stems, as I always mention. This time I got like really beautiful stuff from the store, and they have like huge discounts on it. Go check out. I'll jump right into it. I'll start with my first share. This is a tie, like 3 ties, best for making mail cards or mail scrapbooks or anything that is male themed or boy themed. This is called pattern die set, and it's beautiful, and it's like big tie. Let me give you some measurements here. It's like a 4-inch. It's quite big. A very nice size for A2 size cards and also 5x7 cards. So I grabbed that. Another one is this stem set. It is script blessing word stamp. They have like many words in it. Good luck, love, it's because, best dad, love you always, hey what's up, hello, fun together, we are always together, miss you, good day. Like really fun codes here, and very nice size stamps, and you can make like different kinds of cards in here. So that's that. Another one is this stamp, which is oil painting style flowers, nature, and these are like layered flowers and layered leaves. So it's like I guess this is base, that's the second layer, and that's the top layer, and you get like 2 types of leaves. This is a bigger and thicker leaf, and this is a smaller kind of leaf. I would love to make cards with this one. Like I can't wait, because I love to make floral cards. So that's that. Another one is this stem set. So I have a custom request to make a birthday card for a girl who is in filmmaking, and her sister wants to make a card for her, and she loves, as she is in the filmmaking, her sister wants a card that is related to that. So I grabbed this stamp set that has different kinds of cameras and whatnot, and I'm still waiting for some inspiration to create that card. I still need more information on her, so I'll be soon creating a card on this one, with this one. So that's that. Second last is this die. So I'm still not sure if it's kind of a door, if it's kind of a border. What I can see from here is there is no cut out line here. So basically it can be a pocket as well. I'll play around with this die and see how different crafty stuff can be made from this one. Let me show you the measurement. Oops, it's quite big. It's like 5.5 and 2, a little less than 2.5. One side. I love this. Actually, I love everything from their store. It's just beautiful, isn't it? So I will tell you what is this called. This is spiral pattern decor frame die. So that's that. And the last but not least, I love this woman. I'm going to create something with this today, and I'm not sure what I'm going to create. But I am going to create it soon in a couple of hours. I'll share my projects soon with you guys once I create from all this stems and dies. But I just wanted to tell you I'm going to create with this first in a couple of hours. It's just so intricate and beautiful. Just look. And it's quite big. So it measures almost 8" by 5.5. 8 by 5.5. It's really so beautiful. So yeah, that's that. This is my haul video. I hope you like everything. Check out the description box for their website. I'll link everything, all the dies and stamps in my description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so that you can be inspired with other videos as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.